Let's see how you can turn off firewall and network protection on Windows 11 so that you can access any website and speed up your PC. First, we will start with firewall. Press your Windows key and search for security. You will see this Windows security with this blue icon here. Click on this and you'll be taken here where you can see firewall and network protection, virus and threat protection. Click on firewall and network protection. Here, as you can see, firewall is on on private network 2, and in public network 2 firewall is on. So to turn it off, just click on your specific network. So if you want to turn it off on your home network, click on private network. If you are on public, click on public network. If it is inside an organization, just click on it and turn it off. If you're actually want to allow this app to make changes, just click on yes. Now I'll turn it off for all the domains, that is private network 2, public network 2. So now firewall is off in all the 3 networks. If you want to allow any browse, any website access or any app download, just click on this app and browser control and click here on reputation based protection settings and just turn everything off. Now I don't recommend this because this actually sees and checks if a website is scammy or it might contain virus. If you disable everything, you'll not be able to check that. But if that's what you want, you can just turn it off one by one by clicking here on reputation based protection settings. I don't want that, so I'll just turn it on. So this is how you can actually turn off firewall and network protection and app and browser control. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.